Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, Day 10, as the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club present to you the 12 Days of Christmas. Links to all of our channels, as well as the playlist, will be in my description box below. So today I'm working on the Christmas tree in my family room. I've been patiently waiting for this ribbon to come in from Amazon. So let's start there. I'm gonna dovetail the end to start with, and then I'm gonna form a double loop and secure it with a pipe cleaner. I'm not gonna cut the ends off the pipe cleaner because I'm gonna use that to secure the ribbon to the top of my tree. Once it's secured to the top of my tree, I'm gonna begin to drape it throughout the tree, using the branches to secure it.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, your pack, your queen, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know.
Once I finished my main ribbon, I came in with some gold accent ribbon and I created spirals, which I attached to the tree using the branches. Next, I'm coming in with some beautiful gold picks, and I love the drapey effect of them that I got at Michael's. They were 50% off. I have a beautiful crystal star that I place on top, and then I come in with a couple more picks that I also got at Michael's.
Susie wants a sled, Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best.
Next, I'm coming in with some bulbs I got at the at-home store this year. Some I got on clearance last year, and some that I had on hand already. And I'm combining them all into the tree for a beautiful golden effect.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man?
Last but not least, I'm coming in with some beautiful deer I thrifted and a Christmas present that was a DIY. Now on to the reveal. And yes, honey, she put together a beautiful golden Christmas tree. I can't wait for you to see the whole entire room, but that's coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. If you like today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And please be sure to leave me some comments. I love hearing from you. Now let's move on with the rest of the family room. After a quick dusting and cleaning, I'm coming in with some fresh decor, most of which I purchased on Amazon. And anything that I purchase on Amazon, you will always find linked in my Amazon storefront. And that link is in my description box below. And these beautiful reindeers I got from the at-home store. And I paired them with some glittery gold candle holders. And there you have it. So I'm just going to finish putting the rest of the room together, and then I'll show you what this side of the room looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gives you inspiration to start your Christmas decorating at your home. So until next time.